welcome to Zoey, and today we are going to make sand dough or snow dough, whatever you like to call it, but yeah. And now we only have 3 ingredients, and the first ingredient is cornstarch. Next ingredient is dishwashing liquid. Next ingredient is shaving cream. Okay, and now I'm gonna do that after. And if you guys like, you can also make some colors with it if you don't like the dull color that it has. Now guys, we are going to put in some cornstarch all the way to the top of the 1 cup measurements. So we're going to put it all here. It might be a little bit messy, but that's okay. Okay, all the way to the top, all the way to the top. Yep, that is enough. Okay, now we're gonna pour it in this bowl. Whoa. Just gonna take out all the leftover cornstarch. Okay guys, now we're going to put in 1/3 cup of dishwashing liquid. And now we're going to put it in the bowl. Splatter, splatter. And if you want, you can also put blue or green, whatever color. Yeah. Okay. That should be all of it. That should be all of it. Now we're gonna put on some shaving cream. Since it is hard to put in this, I'm just gonna use it by eye. That made a fart sound. That's better. Whoa. This happens sometimes. It's okay if it's like this. That sounded like a poopy sound. Stop making poopy sounds. Okay guys, now my most favorite part and last, we are going to mix this. But first we're going to put our ingredients aside. Okay, now we put our ingredients inside. Now we are going to mix. We have to mix it until you can feel that texture, like it feels like sand, and when you feel it, it won't break. You just have to break it yourself. Right now there's still a lot of mixing to do, so we're just going to keep on mixing. I'm thinking there's a lot of shaving cream. Mine's really green. But I can change that. Ba la 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 la. This is so fun. Da la 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 la. Look, it's covered the whole spoon. You can make sculptures out of these. These are so fun. La 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 la. Now we are going to play with my toys. Okay guys, now I've got some toys here. Some toys that we could use. And I've got 4 of my little horse and little dog stuff. And the first one up is a hyena. The next one is Black Panther. The next one is a little pony, and this one is the mother of this little pony, what she's eating. Those are snowballs. That's one of the snowballs. I'm going to make some more snowballs. So the first hyena is going in. He loves it in the sand, the little snow sand. And then I'm going to put this little thing in, and a little fall over here. And ta-da! It's so nice for them playing inside. Look, the little fall is playing. Now this guy is gonna be staying over here because he doesn't like the snow. And the hyena's over here. He's just standing. And look. Ta-da! She looks like she's inside the sand. She's a part of the sand. And then he's gonna go hunt for something. He's like, fall! He found a little fall. She was hidden inside the little stuff. And now the mummy was here for a long time. So she's gonna go walk over to her fall. Oh no, look, she's all covered in snow. Stay here with the Black Panther. No! Okay. She's all buried in the snow. Okay, she's gonna stay here now. Mother needs to get out, or else she's gonna get all the snow. Oh. La la la! Oh no! Sandstorm! Sandstorm! Everybody get inside! Ah! Sandstorm! No! Come on! Stay under here, just in case if there's another sandstorm. You stay in here. You're just gonna dig me up in there, aren't you? But I'm gonna get so dirty. So now, la 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 la, trap! Ah! Help! 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 Ha ha ha! I've got you now. Okay, guys. Now I think I had super much fun, and I won't hold you back. So, please try this at home and have some fun, but of course have an adult for help. It's still very important to have an adult with you while you're doing something. So, bye!